Hello and welcome to another random video by me, Disease Productions. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to make instant noodles. The reason why I'm doing this is because I just feel like making noodles, so I'm like, why not make a video about it? Let's go. Now, the first step of this noodle making journey is picking the right noodles for you. Now, personally for me, I always make Indomie noodles because I've always liked Indomie noodles. You could do the Korean ones, but you know, it doesn't have that kick to it. But yeah, in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make the Indomie noodles. Yeah, we're making the Indomie noodles. So yeah. Alright, so once you pick the noodle of your choice, I've got two of these because I like to eat two. Maybe I'll take one. Once you pick the noodles of your choice, get a couple vegetables here and there, you know, and also add in some egg because you don't want to only have this kind of junk only to when you're eating. You want to get some good healthy stuff when you want to eat this type of stuff. So let's go. I don't really have much. I don't think I've got a lot of vegetables. I'll probably cook a carrot. Yeah. Alright, mushrooms. Carrot is then. Good stuff. Alright, so the next step of this this noodle making thing, the noodle making journey, is to wash your vegetables. Now here I've only got only one mushroom left, and I guess they'll be good for now. And also for the 2 packs of noodles, I just kind of dished on the 2 packs. I will do 1 pack for now because I don't want to feel unhealthy and everything. And as for the carrots, I dish on them because the carrots will take too long, and plus making a video as a result of that will also take too long. So yeah, that's the curry. So the next step of this noodle making journey is the water. You know, how would I heat it up? Now usually you'd do it by pouring the water into the pot and just letting it heat up slowly from there. Well, for me, I use the kettle. It instantly heats up the water once I have that, you know, I could put it in the pot, and then the time for making the noodles won't take as long as just pouring the cold water into the pot. I'm gonna fill this empty tank right here, this empty kettle right there, and let's see how this process goes. So while that is heating up, I'm gonna get a bowl so I can just put the noodles in. So yeah. Okay, so I have to do this very quickly because I've only got a bit of charge left in the camera, bit of the battery and all that, you know, because it's 1 bar. Anyways, what I'm gonna do here is put the noodle powder into the bowl, and also get the pan, pot, or whatever you want to call it, and put the hot water in that I just boiled right now. Turn on the stove to heat it up, and then next I'm gonna put the noodles in, then the mushrooms in, and then the egg in. Then after that, all that's done, I'm gonna put everything back in here. So yeah, let's go. Alright, here we go. Alright, there. I think that, oh, okay, that's a bit, okay. Here we go. It's not even on. Alright, so I've added everything in. I just need to... Alright, I switched to my phone. And now I'm gonna put all of this right here. I'm gonna put all this into the bowl right there. 3, 2, 1. Alright, that looks good. Alright, so once I've already poured everything into the bowl, all I need is to just stir it up, you know, mix everything with the powder, you know, everything in there. I usually would have greens, you know, but yeah. And yeah, this is basically the final product. And I hope you guys like it. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.